What are the penalties for driving without insurance in Georgia? Have you ever wondered what could happen if you drive without insurance in Georgia? It's a serious issue that can lead to some hefty penalties. Let's break down what you need to know. In Georgia, driving without the required minimum auto insurance is considered a misdemeanor offense. This means that the state takes it seriously, and there are several consequences you could face. First off, if you are caught driving without insurance, you could be looking at fines. These fines can range from $100 to $1,000. The amount you pay often depends on whether it is your first offense or if you have previous violations. Another significant penalty is the suspension of your driver's license. If you are found driving without insurance, your license could be suspended for a minimum of 60 to 90 days. During this time, you are not allowed to drive at all. To get your license back, you will need to show proof of insurance. Additionally, the Georgia Department of Driver Services may suspend your vehicle registration. This means you cannot legally operate your vehicle until you obtain the required insurance and have your registration reinstated. While jail time is not common for first-time offenders, it is a possibility for repeat offenders or if there are aggravating circumstances. In such cases, you could face up to 12 months in jail. You should also be aware of additional fees. For instance, if your insurance lapses, you will need to pay a $25 lapse fee. When you go to reinstate your registration, the fees can range from $60 to $160. Lastly, driving without insurance can lead to increased insurance premiums in the future. Insurance companies often view drivers without coverage as high risk, which means you could end up paying more for your insurance later on. Georgia requires minimum liability insurance coverage amounts of $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 for bodily injury per accident, and $25,000 for property damage. These minimums are in place to ensure that you can cover damages or injuries you may cause in an accident. So, to avoid these penalties and protect yourself financially, it is essential to maintain at least the minimum required liability insurance in Georgia. Remember, driving without insurance not only breaks the law but also puts you at risk for significant financial consequences.